Welcome to the Tikit demo series. In today's presentation, we're going to walk through and highlight all of the places an agent can work inside of Tikit across the service desk. So Tikit is a omni-channel solution, and it works in Teams, it works in the web, and it works in email. And the agent can choose to work wherever they want depending on their current workflow to respond to things, to resolve things of that nature. Now, in today's presentation, we're going to be working from the perspective of Diego. He is my agent in the business, and he'll be receiving requests from the business. Something I'd like to highlight here right out the gate is that Tikit is a multi-team, multi-department experience. So Tikit can be consumed by IT in the different groups in IT, like the service desk and desktop team. But you'll see here that Tikit is also deployed to the facilities team and the HR team. And we can actually send tickets to those respective teams and departments, and they can receive requests from the business that are specific to their team. So you'll see here, Diego within IT has some service desk tickets and desktop tickets, but also the facility team has some tickets. So we'll see here a move add change for an office move, as well as HR. HR has some tickets, and here's a new hire process. Now, no matter who is working tickets across these different teams and departments, we also have the ability to work on a ticket within a respective team and channel. So you'll see here I have the opportunity to modify this ticket as Diego, and I can change the status or I can change the type. And I can also send a comment to the ticket, and that will send a message directly to Adele, asking her to provide an update on something or give her some instructions or things of that nature. Now, this is one location Diego can work with Tikit and Teams. The second location he can work with Tikit and Teams is the Tikit app. So Tikit has a few apps within Teams. For the agent, the Tikit app is where the agent will work. And one thing you get with the Tikit app is that as changes happen to a ticket, the assigned agent automatically gets notifications for those updates. So I'll scroll up just a little bit here, and I'll highlight ticket 1510, and we'll see that Adele here, oops, a little bit further down. There it is, sorry. Adele here sent a message to Diego, and that message was, "Thanks, that worked." And Diego received a direct notification through the Tikit app, letting him know that that worked and he can resolve that ticket, things of that nature. And you'll receive notifications as the ticket is traveling through the system. Now, Diego can also ask ticket questions here. So if he were to say, "Show me my work," this will send him a list of tickets that are assigned directly to him. This is interactive, so he can click on anything and open that up. He can also open a ticket directly. So if he knew the ticket number, so ticket 1501, that will open the ticket directly and allow him to work on it. So Diego has the ability to work in Teams and route things and modify things and edit things within Teams here. He can also do this in the web. So let's move over to the web to talk about that a little bit. So see here, Diego has the ability to review tickets and work on tickets in the web here. We're given a different type of real estate visually, so we do things a little bit differently than in Teams, but purposed and intentional on how you would experience things in the web. And just as a highlight here, this is the Tikit agent portal. When Diego logs in here, he'll see a list of all the active tickets by default here, and he can work on tickets, he can edit tickets, route tickets, things of that nature. This gives him the ability to manage a ticket much like he did in Teams here. So if he wanted to change the property of this ticket, or if he wanted to send a message to Adele, he can do that just like he could in Teams. Diego can also work in email. So as tickets are being reassigned or comments are being added, he can receive notifications for those respective updates and be able to manage those requests by responding to those tickets, which would send updates to the end user. So to recap, an agent has the option to work across 3 channels: Teams, web, and email. And it gives them the ability to naturally land wherever the workflow is to update, route, and manage tickets. In another presentation, we'll be talking about where the end user can work, which is very similar. And again, thank you again for watching today's presentation. And if you have any questions, please email team@tikit.ai.